Hi, first graders. Today we're doing lesson 4.9, grouping ones into tens. So you're going to need your math board, and today we're going to focus on the back side of the math board. First of all, I want you to notice the numbers going around the outside edge. What does it start with? And what does it end with? And I want you to notice that there's a little space in between each one. Why do you think that is? Check how many numbers are in that line. Yep, there's 10 in each one. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to count all the way around the board, and each time we finish a 10, we're going to draw a line through it, okay? So let's go ahead and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now you can see we're halfway around the board. And so far we made 5 10 sticks here. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10 sticks. At home I want you to keep going and continue counting from 51 all the way through 100, drawing a line through those 10s. All right, and now that you're done and you made it all the way to 100, you drew all those 10 sticks, count up how many 10s there are in 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 10s in 100. Okay, now I want us to go around and count by 10s. Okay, we're going to write the number on the outside. Okay, so here we're going to write 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I wonder if anybody remembers what those numbers are called when we count up by 10s. Remember, 10 years is called a decade, and when we count by 10s, we call these our decade numbers. Okay? So now we are going to draw some 10 sticks and some circles to represent 10s and 1s within 100. So the number I'm going to give you is 47. I want you to write that on your board. 47. Okay? Now, we're going to go to our number path here and mark all the way to 47. Okay? So go ahead and count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, now we have to slow down, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, there we go. We can see that there are how many 10s? Yep, 4 10s. And how many 1s? 7 1s. Okay, let's draw this with 10 sticks and circles. So we need 4 10 sticks. I'm going to use a different color just so it's easier to see. 10, 20, 30, 40, and now we need our 7 circles as extra 1s. Okay, I want you to notice that when I did my 7 extra 1s, I made a 5 group on the top, so 5, 6, 7. Makes it easier for us to see. All right, now we're going to write an equation to show what 47 looks like when we break it down into our 10 sticks and our ones. So here we have, how much is this worth? We have 10, 20, 30, 40. This is worth 40. Plus, how many extra ones? We have our 7 extra ones. So 40 plus 7 equals 47. And that would be just like our secret code cards. We have the number 40 and the 7 covers up the 0 to give us 47. Okay. Let's see. Let's go to our workbook page. So what we're going to do here is draw 10 sticks and circles and write the total. I also want to show you how we can use our math board to figure this out. So we have 50 plus 3. Okay, if we have our math board, first we want to find 50. Okay, we're going to start from 1. It's important that we start from 1 and show all the way to 50. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30. I apologize that I have to scroll every time. 30, 40, 50. Okay, so now our equation that we were working on was 50 plus 3 equals. So we have to do 3 more spots. So we're 50 plus 3. 50 plus 1, 2, 3. What did we end up on? Yep, 53. Now on our workbook, like we just did, we figured out that this is 53. Okay, this is us writing the total. Now we also need to draw our 10 sticks and circles. So here's our amount of 10 sticks. How many 10s is in 50? 5 10s. So let's write it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and do the 3 extra ones. 1, 2, 3. Good, let's do another one. We have 70 plus 6. Okay, so if we were going to do that on our math board, have to erase. Okay. Apologize for the delay. Okay, we would have 70 plus 6. 70 plus 6 equals, okay, we have to draw our 10 sticks first, so follow along with me when we do that. Okay, we're doing 7 10s, 70. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we have to go 6 more on our number path. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, that goes in there, 4, 5, 6. What do we land on? 76. Okay, just like our secret code cards, this 6 would cover up the 0. And let's go and draw it. We have to represent 70. How many 10s in 70? Check the 10s place. We have 7 of them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm going to leave a little space. 60, 70. Now we need 6 extra ones. So we're going to do a 5 group and 1 extra one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 76. All right. I want you to try numbers 3 through 8 on your own. For right now, let's flip to the back side. This is a new concept we want to work on, and we're adding that 1-digit number to the 2-digit number. Here we had zeros in the ones place, and now we're working with different digits in the ones place. So our picture represents this first number here. Our picture represents the 2-digit number. See, 24. We need to add 3 more, and we want to stick with having the 5 group on the top. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we want to add 3. Let's make this a 5 group. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we can count up all of our 10 sticks and circles to figure out our answer. So we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so our answer is 27. And if we Remember that this is a 5 group. We could just say 10, 20, 25, 26, 27 to make it even quicker. But it's okay if we're not ready for that yet. Okay? We'll get there. So now we're going to do 27 plus 6. So I can see that we already have 7 ones, but we're going to continue and put the 6 circles in this group right here. So we have 27 plus 6. So let's draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does this look like to you? We have 2 5s. That looks like a 10. So I'm going to circle this so that we know that this is a 10. Okay? So now we actually have 1, 2, 3 10s and 3 extra 1s. Can you count that with me? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33. Good. Okay. If you could please do 11 through 16 by yourself, and then check for understanding just says explain how to add 29 plus 3. Okay, and we have talked about this. We'll just show it again. We would have the number 29, which I'm going to show you with 10 sticks and circles. All right, so here you can see I made 29, and now we need to add 3 more ones. So we're just missing 1 here to make this a 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to circle this up, show that this just became a 10. Okay, so now let's count them 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Okay, and we would explain it by saying that we made our 10 sticks. We had 1s from the 29, the 9 in the 1s place, and then we had to add 3 more, which bumped us up another 10 and made our answer 32. All right, have a great day, friends. Talk to you tomorrow.